Hi, I'm Matt from Raspberry Pi Foundation's Digital Making at Home, our weekly content series for young kids creating at home with code. It's Earth Day this week, so let's celebrate our planet. We want to see your projects which honor Mother Earth. Whether you've got a tech project which explores your backyard ecosystem, or you want to tell us about the importance of protecting Mother Earth, we want to see your project. If you're not sure where to start, our team has a few code-along videos to inspire you. For beginners, Mr. C and Xavier will try out some basic 3D modeling with BlocksCAD to create some bugs. For intermediate makers, Christina will show you how to use Python to read data from Raspberry Pi's SenseHat sensors to predict when there's a good chance of spotting a rainbow. And even if you don't have a Raspberry Pi with a SenseHat, you can still give this one a try with our online emulator. For the advanced coders out there, Mark will guide you through making an app about endangered animals around the world. No matter what you create, we want to see it. Last week, 10-year-old Finn shared his Blubberator project, which made us laugh. Thanks, Finn. If you've got a project to share, go to rpf.io/home to share it with us. We can't wait to see what you create to celebrate our planet.